Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the Vudu Catch Can. So first off, let's get straight into this. I need to take this catch can off because, as you can see, even with so many Jubilee clips, it's taped up, it still leaks oil everywhere. I mean, this part is just covered in oil. It leaks from here, it leaks from under there. Let's get this off. I'll do that off camera and then we can get on with the install of this. Okay, so let's begin. So the first step is you're going to have a pipe running from here all the way down here. So what you want to do is they're like push clips. You have to push them really hard and then you can wiggle them out. It's also going to be clipped into here. Just get a flathead screwdriver and just prise that out. Once your pipe is out, we can start looking at the catch can itself. So these little red things are just purely to stop bits going in there while it's in transport. So what you want to do is just want to unscrew these red things and we're going to put these in. Okay, so the red things, you just simply unscrew. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these into the actual catch can. You'll see that this end has like a curve on it, and this one's completely flat. Put the flat end with the O-ring on it into the catch can. Okay, so once you've got them in, now we're going to take our adjustable spanner, or just any regular spanner. These are 25mm. They do have an O-ring on them, they don't need to be over tight, so just a quick little turn and they'll be good. Okay, so these are tight. Next, we're going to install the bracket. So basically you just want to line it up. There. Look how I've positioned it so it steps upwards to the catch can rather than down. So step up. And then you should have little screws like this. I think they're 3mm Allen keys. As long as you have a set of Allen keys, you should be okay. So let's just try putting one in first. So on this, you're just tightening it just a little bit. You don't want to over tighten this. So then we're going to get the other one out. And because I've done that, we're going to do this top one here. Okay, so that's the bracket installed. Okay, so this is where the catch can is going to be mounted to. These two screws here. Or bolts, I should say. So, there they are. Let's get them out. Okay, so now that these two bolts are off, we're just simply sliding this in and putting this over these two. Okay, so now that you've got the catch can just situated there, you'll notice that we have to now put these two pipes in. So the shorter pipe will come out the side here. That goes back into the intake manifold. The longer pipe will go on the top and into here. And that's it. The catch can has been installed. Just turn on the car, make sure everything works. I've done that. Everything runs fine. So hopefully this one doesn't leak oil. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it's helped you out a little bit. As you can see, the car's a little bit different from when I did an update on it. So expect a future car update in the next video. So thanks you for watching, and I'll see you then.